Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Be Nicole here. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a get ready with me that includes makeup and outfit. Definitely not the hair, because honey, I be having too many bad hair days to do any get ready with me's that do not include me slicking my hair down. Okay, my hair be playing me. But if you want to see how I get this makeup look, then make sure you stay tuned. I'm also going to show you guys a cute little outfit, okay, because spring is around the corner and we're trying to slay all summer. Okay, girl. Okay, so if you want to see how I got this look, then just make sure you keep watching. Also, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss any uploads from me. And I'll also link my social media accounts down below. I'll be posting cute pictures and stuff on the gram, so make sure you follow me. And I'm gonna stop talking and get right into the video. Okay, guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I really like the way this turned out. Okay, it is cute as fuck. I don't care what you say, but I'm going to show you guys my outfit as well in case anyone is interested. Also, if you're not following me on the gram, make sure you follow me on the gram. I'll be posting cute outfit pictures on there and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you follow me. I also have a Twitter account. You can also follow me on Twitter. But yeah, I really like the way this makeup look turned out, okay? Look at that highlight. What you know about it? Okay, so this is the outfit. I got this top from Pretty Little Things, and these pants are from Boohoo, and the shoes are just some clear heels from Fashion Nova. I believe I have featured these pieces in a previous haul, so I'll make sure I link that below if you're interested in finding these two pieces or whatever. But yeah, I'm just going to have lunch with a friend, and we may do some shopping, so she's cute and casual. I hope you guys like this Get Ready With Me makeup and outfit. Don't forget, again, to give me a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are not already subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next video.